Hello everyone, I am Nisha Mandirata. Today I will discuss something very important for teachers as well as for office going. As we all know, there are so much to type in our teaching job. We need to prepare question papers, we need to prepare assignment. Even we have so many books, but we have to select question paper from there and we have to write on WordPad or Word. We need to make our result in Excel sheets. Even sometimes we have those sheet in hard copy, but we need to give in PDF for the soft copy. So there is a solution for this and I will discuss, and I'm very much sure that this video is going to be very helpful for all of you. So I'm moving towards my topic, and it is how to convert images into the text files. We all have so many question papers, but what we need to do, we have to search, we have to mark with pencil, then we need to convert into Word. That means we need to type with ourselves. Now there is no need to type question paper, and even without downloading any converter, because what I have observed, when we download the converter, the question, you can say, the formatting is not good. We need to do very much in that, but what I am going to discuss is very simple and definitely it will be very beneficial for all of you. So I am moving towards my tool. This is very easy. We will open Microsoft Office in our phone simply. As I am opening this, you can see, then there is a plus icon here. Sorry, this is plus icon here. I will click on this icon, then I will get three options. Now it seems like something magical, nahi? So it seems, and it is really going to be some magic. Now I will click on this blue icon, that Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Then there are so many options you can see on my screen. First option Word, then Excel, then PowerPoint. What is this? We have scan text, dictate, blank document and create from templates. And these four options all are really very good in their own way. But main important topic which I am going to discuss is scan text. How to convert image into the text. It is very simple, and definitely it, after seeing this video, after downloading this, actually this is inbuilt in your phone, you will see that your work is reduced to 10% only. Now what I will do, I will click on this scan text, then I need to scan a paper. So that for scanning text, I am taking this image of chapter demand. I will click whatever is showing in orange color is something which is going to convert. Okay, I will click on this, and then you can see this on the screen. I will click on done button, right? After clicking on done, it will start converting. Look, it is converted. Now you can see all the question in the Word format. You can add it according to your own way, and these are question number 15 to 29, and this is the evidence. And I have given this picture. You can see this was the image and we have converted into Word in this. Now I can add it according to my own convenience by using this icon. I can add it, its font, its format, anything which I would like to add it. So I am damn sure this video is going to be very useful for teachers for making paper, and also for the somebody who need to show something in office in Word. There is no need to type. If you have so many images, you just click on that images, add into this, and then you will convert your images into text, and you can add it according to your own convenience, and you can make this question paper. Like I have taken the 29 questions. I can delete or I can remove this question from here and using this and something, sorry, this button. So this is how we convert the video, right? Sorry, images into the text. Actually, I am also too much excited to tell you something about this, and it may also happen that whenever I get this function or feature, I may have written with myself, but I am in this opinion that I must show everyone, which may be helpful. I made this video only to help. If you really like this, then please share and help everyone, because nowadays teachers are facing so many problems. There are lot of work to do: question paper, assignment, copy correction, Google form, and so many things. In previous video we have discussed Google forms. The link will be in description box, and how to check the copies. And now this is which is going nowadays, that is preparing the question paper, because we have so many books but only need to type, and there is no need to worry. Now convert your paper, convert the text image which is given in book into the Word file, and do whatever you want to do it. Thank you. We'll see you again with the more videos, because I have so many ideas on which I am working. If you really like it, please subscribe it. Thank you so much.